Right, one of the beauties of the WeFly 8-channel transmitter is that it's not only a computer radio with the ability to hold the memory of a whole bunch of different models, but I can go ahead and put in endpoints, mixing, servo reversing, all the usual flavors that come with a computer type transmitter. Very economical package. What I'm going to do here is assign it to the GATO, and you do that by pressing the menu, hitting the power switch. You get into model select, you get the menu, and then you select your model. In this case it's the GATO. So I'm looking for the GATO prompt. I hit enter. I get a prompt to reset power. And right now the transmitter has got all of the presets unique to the GATO. So what I do now is I remove the top of the GATO, but first I take off the sail, which is magnetically mounted. Then the superstructure, which reveals the interior. Since the transmitter is already on, all I have to do is turn on the mission switch, let the devices run through their protocols. So here's throttle, low pressure blower, vent. I better deploy the bow planes. You see them here. I'll do that again. I'll cycle the bow plane to rigged out, then I operate the bow planes, rig the bow planes back in, operate the rudder, cycle the throttle,
Now you're probably
and I'm good to go. Go ahead, you can go.
got this scene over there because you're leaning on the table.
Oh, that's okay. Just keep rolling. All right, once I affirm everything is working, I figure out how I'm going to hook up the induction system. We've got the snorkel head valve here with its hose, and I put a notch in its float to hold the hose during assembly. Later on, I fish out the other end of the hose and make up the two, and that completes the union of the induction line between the snorkel head valve and the subdriver. So I'm going to lay this in there where I can get at it, lay the superstructure down on top of the lower hull, make sure things are lined up. A little bit of a chore making sure that the bow halves line up, and they do. And I make sure all of the indexing tabs between the upper and lower hull halves are in alignment. Push the hull forward, which engages back here, and a single 440 screw holds the entire superstructure down on the hull. Now that previously mentioned hose, I fish it out of the hull here. As you can see, there's a tube which will make up the snorkel induction portion of induction line. Put them together, and that completes the union between snorkel head valve and the rest of the subdriver's semi-aspirated system. Check that the float valve works properly, and then all I have to do is slip on the sail, which again is magnetically coupled to the deck, and I'm ready to go operate. You can turn it